Hi, Bob from Wipeout Bar and Grill, cooking at home here. Today we're making one of my favorite dishes, Alaskan halibut tacos. The season just opened up. We seasoned up some fresh Alaskan halibut with Cajun spices and salt and seared it in a pan here. Just got it off, just finished up. Warmed up some corn tortillas. We made a little slaw with red onion, cilantro, and a little chipotle cream and cabbage. We're gonna put that on the bottom. We're gonna top that off with our freshly grilled halibut. A little fire roasted tomato salsa on top of that. And some fresh pico de gallo. Serve it up with a couple lime wedges. And there you have it.